Okay guys, let's go ahead and open up these Paradox Rift packs. I got 5 of them. So let's open up first pack. Alright. See what we get. Here's the code card. Alright. So Fire Energy, Remoraid, Pungfu, Zubat, Natu, Garbodor, Technical Machine Evolution, Durant, Reverse Hollow Trubbish, Oregon 2, and Esperata. Alright. Next pack. Code card. Water Energy, Pensage, Mentike, Gabite, Minun, Masquerain, Ancient Booster Energy Capsule, Sizar, Plusle, Full Coco, Configures EX for the rare. Alright, moving on. Next pack. Code card. Basic Lane Energy, Dublad, Miltank, Wimpod, Plusle, Versatile Scenario, Minshao, Rika, Von Sweet, Steelix, Golosopod for the rare. Alright. Next pack. Code card. Fighting Energy, Whismer, Dublad, Surskit, Magby, Rourke, Steenie, Simipour, Iron Moth, Groudon, Iron Jugulis. Okay. Last pack. Let's hope it's something good. Code card. Basic Steel Energy, Perlorian, Mainfu, Froseed, Gibble, Slither Wing, Ferrothorn, Curse Duster, Earthen Vessel, Exploud, and Aglash. Alright guys, thank you for watching.